Got the Wolf Range 6-burner with the griddle for a chef. Nice soft close on the doors, extra heavy. The broiler. And you're vented. We are cooking with gas. Now back to the island. We have our upgraded undermount cooler. Offset divide in white. I like these in white or in black. Modern hardware. In gold. Do have the garbage disposal switch on top. Your garbage disposal down below. Your Cove dishwasher. She's a beauty. Now I just want to spin around this side. So many options in the kitchen. I love the modern windows with the floating shelves. The design is beautiful. So we got the cutting board, the cookbook, Sub-Zero fridge. We are living in luxury today.